Oh, look at there. There's a beauty. Hey, Clark. How you doing, buddy? How you doing, man?
Right,
good seeing you. So you did call me down here, right?
Call you.
You're not going to believe this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the key. I mean, this is funny, isn't it? Welcome to the show, everybody. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I'm going into a new job. I always wrap my pen with tape so I can mark the door openings. We're here in North Carolina, and I'm at, you guessed it, my favorite place, the Spring Shop. I get to work for them instead of them working for me. Look at this place. I love it. I'm gonna go do something. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. They asked me to come over here. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, I hope I got enough tape on my pen. I gotta tell you guys, this is one cool place. They've got a speed shop in this spring company. I hope I get to go into the speed shop. This is the kind of stuff they do. They got all kinds of goodies. And I'm gonna work on their doors today. Look at this cool Jeep. Oh, that's a beauty. I better get in there before they think I'm late. Okay, maybe I'll go in the back door here. This is kind of cool. I worked on this doorway right here last time. Still open. Look at this cool place. I love this place. Look at this joint. Do you think they got a few springs? Oh yeah, it's spring heaven. Now I think the guy's name is Carl. Let's go in here and see Carl. See my buddies in here. Look at them. They got all kinds of goodies. I'm gonna work on their doors today. Yeah, I'm back. Oh, look at there. There's a beauty. What a wonderful car. See, they work on all the cool stuff, guys. I mean, we're talking killer cool. That gives a thumbs up. All right, we're gonna go find our way. Nobody knows I'm coming to work. This is Carl here, but it's Clark that I think called me. Oh, there's a killer press. Isn't that cool? What a press. Hey, Clark. How you doing, buddy? How you doing, man?
Right,
good seeing you. So you did call me down here, right?
Call you, yes, sir.
Oh man, I'm liking this car over here. What do you trade it for? A lock?
That's my line of trade.
Oh, I love it. I love it. I hope you don't mind me filming you. You know how I am.
Oh, yeah.
I can't get loose of it. Look at that beauty. Oh, that is heaven on wheels. And I'm sure that'll really go. Well, let's go find out what you want me to do.
Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't.
Okay. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah, this one isn't too bad.
Oh, this old one here. Yeah. All right. So we're having an adventure in nice ball type locks. These are probably maybe 60 years old. You're not going to believe this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the key. I mean, this is funny, isn't it? Oh, you got to love it. That key is, I've never seen a key like that. Anyway, we're going to go find out if they got a better one back here. So here's a drag racer. Now this is Clark's son working on these vehicles. Now, how old is your boy? He's 13 and he can work on these vehicles. I mean, does this run in the blood or what? Chevy Suburban. What's the year again?
It's a 99.
Oh, a 90.
Yeah.
What a vehicle. What a vehicle. This is an 80-year-old shop. Spring Shop, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Yeah, it's still here. All right, finally got it in a good parking spot. This is high traffic area. High traffic. Now I gotta get my goodies out. Oh, good thing I got a cart. You must own a cart, guys. If you don't own a cart, you can't really work on jobs. Hey guys, you know, I'm having a blast. I'm in North Carolina. I'm in the spring shop of North Carolina. I'm working on a 100-year-old building on their favorite entrance doors. I can't wait to do them. Let's get into the show. We're gonna go ahead and spray all the hinges.
I worked on over 11 old locks and cylinders, repinned them, put in new springs, totally gutted them. Let's get back to the show.
You don't know how hard this was to get out. It's a nightmare. Totally full of crud. The key, I had to have the boss take his touch on that. Hey everybody, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I don't even know if there's a spring. Yep, there is one in there. So there's the spring. I mean, this is like packed full of dirt. The 100-year-old building, what do I expect? You know, if you're coming on a job like this, you should expect this kind of thing. Don't think it's going to go easy, because then you'll be ill-equipped. Believe it or not, I can get it to turn now out of the lock. And I just lubed the whole lock so it will work. Have to fire up the key machine. Here's the key. Now I'm going to try to match it if I can. Get my brains together here. So let's see if I can even gauge it. Usually take the key and I draw it like this. That way I got it. So the first cut is... Hey guys, this is from another video of mine, the eBay collection of videos, and I show you exactly how you can measure a key from eBay, the same type of key, like a Schleg key, and you can come up with measurements. But I can't show you the code to their building, this particular building. So please bear with me. You know, it's live and I have to do a little editing over the top of all the codes. I think you understand. Let's pull this bad boy apart. Look at the dirt in there, guys. Oh boy. So this will be completely rebuilt. Let's see if it's master pinned. So you turn it sideways and see if there's master pins in there. This little white follower has a cutout on it. No master pins. Okay. Hey guys. You know, I'm having a blast. I'm in North Carolina. I'm in the spring shop of North Carolina. I'm working on a 100-year-old building on their favorite entrance doors. I can't wait. So I'm going to cut a key in my key machine now to match what was there, because they want real keys that really work. All right, we're cutting a key. I love this machine. Keyline Ninja code cutter. Beautiful. Well, there's the key. Look at the key. I mean, this is funny, isn't it? So these are veneer calipers. Measured it, they were just so far away. All right, let's clean it up and see if it even works. You know what? I don't even think I'm gonna clean it up. I'm just gonna push it in there and see if it works. That's it. That's the key. Maybe this cut though is a little high. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Somebody took a file to their cylinder plug, and I never could match up the old key with my new cuts. But who cares? It all worked out great cutting brand new keys. See what happens. All right, let's see if I can cut that now. Rack it. That's probably what it is. I mean, the end of the key was so worn off. Let's see what it is. That's probably it. The first cut, though, looks low. If they have any keys out, I want to kind of match what they have. Let's see if it turns in the... Let's see where they were at with the other one. All right, we'll try another key. Get it this time. The like button. All right, now we're gonna give it a shot. Please work. I love the Ninja. The Ninja by Keyline. Great machine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's it. So this is junk. One scrap. All right, let's pin it up that way. I kind of like that. Okay, I got it pinned up. I'd love to show you that, but I got more I can do. So all the springs were bad. I think this little one's fine. If you don't have a set of veneer calipers, you're really up a creek, guys. I don't know how you do it. Be honest. think it is sideways. You know, everything's cool until you take it apart. Clean this. Everything is covered in dirt. I might have to change this tailpiece. I think it is sideways though, but I should have looked at that. A lot of traffic here. You want to have one pin out. There it is. Let's see if it works. His old key does not work. Figures. New key works. And believe it or not, that works the other cylinders too. The deadbolt that was on there. So that is it's a good thing. It feels great. Real nice. I'll lubricate that too. You just have to. I've got one done right here. Got it all done. And it works with the new key. Hey guys, I got it done. It wasn't easy. I have to order 3 locks. But I got it done. This building is really kind of dirty. But I got all the grease off. It turned out real nice. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this one, like this stuff, coming your way in the future. Yeah, thanks. Here's the old truck. Look at this bad boy. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they work on the big stuff. Auto Spring Company in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Beautiful stuff. Oh. Here's my new Corvette. No, I don't have a Corvette. Look at that. Yeah, all done. Please hit that like button, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips coming your way in the future. Thanks again, guys.